Hey guys, SupaScary here. Today we are playing more. Oh man, I just right clicked expecting my camera to pop up. Yeah, this is gonna get some getting used to. But welcome back to Outlast, guys. I honestly, it spawned me pretty far from where I was. I think, yeah, because I was in like a locker room or something. So I'm gonna have to go catch up. And there's a battery. And even though I don't have my camera, I'm going to pick up batteries because when I did have my camera, I had like one battery left. And I'm not just going to lose batteries just because I don't have my camera on. Okay, so let's see, where were we? In here, jump down here, blah, 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 blah. Okay, this is where we stopped. Guys, I'm freaking scared. But, I mean, they can't, come on. Will Outlast go so low that bad guys will chase you in the dark? I don't know if they'll chase me in the dark or anything, but... Forgot about you! Okay, I remember I did go this far or something. I did go this far. Forgot about that guy. Oh! I keep forgetting about this! Okay, I'm okay. I'm okay, guys. Thing is, I can't see anything. Okay. Remember, we were right here. This is where we were. This is where we stopped. Come on, Thunder, don't let me down. And then there's the bud guy. Okay, let me do it with you. Let's do this together. Okay. So this is where we stopped the video last time. I can't see anything. I came from there, right? Okay. So in here. Okay guys, since we don't have our camera, there's going to be a lot of jump scares. I can promise you that much, I'm assuming. We're fine. Oh. Okay, guys. This is really awkward because I just uploaded the montage. I didn't think we were going to find it that fast. Oh! Hey! I thought you guys were cool with me, man. I thought we were cool. I don't know where to go, guys. I don't know where to go. What I was saying before was I just made the montage too about losing my camcorder. So I guess, you know, that's awkward. I really honestly did not think we were gonna find it that fast. Okay. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. I don't know. Hello. You ain't getting me. No, go away. Why won't it even let me do it? It won't even let me try to do it? These guys are smart. Hey, you guys are cool, right? Oh, crap. I didn't think they'd be able to find me that easy. These guys are really annoying. I'll tell you that, guys. 'Cause I don't know where to go at all. Where am I supposed to go? I think I have to climb up there or something. I'm going for it. Nope. Can't see anything. I could see better without the camera. Oh. That's why it's doing that, because I needed to reload my battery. This sucks. Oh, help me! You guys, help me. Why aren't they helping me? I don't know where to go. Oh, I don't know where to go. Please let me already have my camera or something. Okay guys, they're gonna be right there. That always gets me. Even when I know they're gonna be right there, it always scares me. I don't know why. Don't you dare! Oh. I didn't know I could do that. It's not cool. I did not know I could do that. I just wasted like 5 minutes. Okay. I liked it better when I didn't have my... Okay, I missed my camcorder, guys. But without it, I knew there wouldn't be any bad guys. Because you can't navigate through the darkness without it. Now that I have it back, I'm going to start bringing the bad guys back. So I guess I'm ready. Oh, okay. I don't know if we're supposed to go back here or not. Shut the door. Okay, so we have to get over there. Oh my god, that was annoying. So we still have to get over there. There's a jump right here apparently, I forgot about. I'm assuming I thought we would go over there. Nope. Nope, I'm not doing this. Okay. I'm going to keep that montage up, I think. What is that? Is that a ledge? Look, I don't know where to go. What am I supposed to do? Oh, dim skills! Why didn't that work earlier? Find Father Martin and the administration block. Guys, I don't know if I showed this or not, but earlier I was trying to do that without the camera, trying to make it back over there, and it wasn't working, so I don't know why it worked when I had the camera. Is that unlocked? Gotta have administration block. Is this the administration block? Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to go down there or not. Doesn't look like I'm supposed to. Oh, God. I might have to, because, I mean, I don't see how I'm going to do that. Yeah, I am. Chill. 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 My game's lagging up still. Where am I? Whoa. Whoa! Yes! I'm safe forever. Safer up there on that glitch. You're not gonna hurt me, right? You're not gonna hurt me.
Only one way out. Only one way.
Yeah, actually, I could have beat this game so long ago if freaking Father Martin let me out through the freaking main doors. No, he has to drug me and bring me to the asylum. I don't know if that's a part of the game or not, but whenever my camera glitches, my game lags. I don't know if that's a part of the game or not. Okay, if Little Pig comes here, that guy, I swear to God, I'm going to be so mad if the Little Pig guy comes here. Because he was outside, we ditched him. He shouldn't be able to come back for a while. Are we where I think we are? Oh my God, oh my God. Excuse me. Excuse me. I think we're where I think we are. And here are the vents. Nope, no, no, no. Guys, are we in the place we were before? Wait, I think we're in that place. Not the one, not the lobby with the security control. I think we're in the place with the thingamajigger. Where you go in there, you climb up into the vent in the very beginning of the game. And you look down in the vent, and it's... And it's him. And that guy runs into the room. The little thingies. Say it with my bum bum bada bum bum bada bum bum bada bum 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 bada 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 bum bum bada bum 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 bada 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 Billy Bob 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 Oh, shut that door. Oh yeah. Oh. What? What happened? What happened? I was in the vent. Piece of... Okay guys, I just made it back into the vent. Okay, I'm back. I don't know what happened, but I'm scared he's gonna be able to climb in the vents. Although I'm assuming that would look really retarded to see like a big guy like him just come. This is where we were. This is so cool, guys. Look. That's in the beginning of the game where I go through that and he's like, little pig. Not yet. Okay, no. This room is not. That's not what it's supposed to be. Retrieve the key from the recreation. I'm coming to save you. Never mind, because you just run away like an idiot every time I see you. Is he going to be back here? Key from the okay. Well, how am I supposed to get into recreation? I don't think I'm oh. Perfection. Why would there be a ladder down here? Okay, guys, we have 3 minutes left in our 20-minute mark. I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, I think I'm going to try to make every episode me beating a mission or something. Okay, let's go. Man, this camera glitching and stuff, that's starting to make me upset. Like, it's messing me up. Also, look, it looks like there's nowhere to go. Is that a pole there? Okay, I can just do this. Oh, great. Of course, there's lockers to hide. Because, of course... Oh my god. He's amazing. Montreal. Cornelius, you are amazing. What was that? You are indeed amazing at this piano. The gang's all here. Dang, this place is packed. Just kidding. Wasn't packed at all. No one came. Well, Cornelius, I think you did great on the piano. I loved the concert. Encore. Encore. I don't care if the films are real or not. Wait, is that me saying it? I can't hear it. Wait. Let me turn it up, please. Whoa. That was loud. Sorry, just turning it back down. I just wanted to see if that was me saying that, because I'm recording. And he was saying the footage is all real and that. Wait, where did I go? I'm assuming since there is an upstairs, we're supposed to go upstairs. Confidential. Oh god, no. And I was right. This game is so good, guys. Like, it costs money, but if you have, like, the money for it, I really recommend this game more than any other game I've played on my channel. This is one of my favorites. I'm just saying, I really recommend this game for you guys. If you ever, you know, are looking for a horror game and they all already cost a lot of money. This is the one. Okay, well, we have 20 seconds left, and I don't care. Screw the clock, man. Oh, okay. Can I still come in? Why can't I go in? Did you lock it or something? You jerk. Dude, I need... Where am I supposed to go now? Well, that's just my timer, guys. That was just my timer. What was that? I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping. I saw something. I saw a head. It's a little pig. I swear, guys. Watch. Is that door open? Was this door open before? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna jump down here again. Oh. Oh! I didn't even see that really. Because I'm an idiot. Okay, good. So we are going to get to this railing. Because this is the one I wanted to be at. So I could, like, change the movie. We're going to watch the SpongeBob movie. Screw this. Like, this is scary stuff, guys. That just breaks the mood. We want to personally watch, like, funny movies and great movies. So let's change it. SpongeBob movie. It's not working. It's not working. Why ain't it working? Okay, let's... Oh, key. I don't even remember what freaking door. I don't even remember what door we had to go to. That's how far behind I am. Oh, this is the door with the thingamajigger and the dongamajam. And he finally opened it for us, because he's a great guy. Okay, guys, since I'm so close, I have the key and stuff, I'm not going to wait until next episode to do this. I'm going to get this done really fast. I don't remember which way. It's this way, right? No, this is where I found that battery, and the doors were locked and crap and stuff, and shut up. Alright. Guys, I really think we're coming close to beating this game. Not them. There he is, you can see his hair. It's awesome. Is this it? That was pretty easy. Pretty easy. What was this even for? This? Oh god. Ew. Sucker. Oh, are these stairs gonna break? No! Oh, I thought that was Father. I hear it singing! Every elevator, every door you need to go into. Wait, but why would I need to go up anymore? This is the 3rd floor, right? Guess not. Why would it tell me I need... oh, wait. We have to go to the chapel, right? Oh, that's both of us. But no, why would it tell me I need a key for an elevator if I wish I'm gonna freaking use it? Father! Father! Are you the father? Nope, you're not even the father. Never mind. I really want to find him for it in this episode. Okay, guys, I just don't have the time for it. I'm gonna get back to the lobby and pause it. Okay, guys, like the video, post the comments below to know this video and any game suggestions. Hit the subscribe button, it helps out a lot. I will be making a video later because I really want to see where this is going. This game is amazing. I recommend it for anyone who wants to play it. Peace out, guys. Bye.